All right, Jason, much of the state getting some rain tonight, and then tomorrow some are getting some severe weather.
Yeah, we got the whole thing. Today it's 60s and rain statewide. And then tomorrow it's hot, humid, thunderstorms, back in summer very quickly. So got something for everyone. Rain continues overnight, and then it gets very hot and humid very quickly tomorrow. You'll notice the change in the air. Scattered thunderstorms and a severe threat coming with that humidity. Here is the threat. So level 2, once each time you see the yellow, that's the low end still, but all of Maine, and that is from noon through 7. Really, I think it wraps up by around 5. Damaging wind, that's the primary threat. Localized flooding, second on the list, and then hail, and even an isolated tornado. Can't rule it out. For right now, we got rain. A lot of it here, except up in the county. Not seeing a bunch of rain, but everyone else is seeing the real dark greens and some yellows. So you're going to have rain continue tonight. Temperatures here from the south wind giving us 60s and 50s. Eastport 53, hello to my friends in Eastport, and 55 in Millinocket. So temperatures with the rainfall will stay pretty uniform. You see the rain, follow along. Timestamp right there. Got that in the top left for you. And into tonight, that rain continues. By 11 o'clock, it's starting to push east though. So in the overnight, you're not going to hear as much rain on the roof and the window as you do right now. It'll be very scattered after about 11 or midnight. And then 7 in the morning, you're waking up, a little sunshine, a warm front's going to lift north and really crank up the heat. After 10 o'clock, watch the temperature here just jump. Lows to 89 at 2 o'clock, okay? It gets very hot. Same thing, Waterville. And that rain and those thunderstorms push through, very scattered. Stop it at 5 o'clock. It's pretty much done. It's still 87 in Augusta, okay? Ripping hot. 86 in Sanford, especially after a day like today where it's in the 60s barely. Tomorrow, making a run for 90. And with the humidity, I expect us to easily get into the 90s tomorrow. Tomorrow night, notice here, it's still in the 80s. It's very hot and humid, but the cold front comes through. We do, kind of clear things out. Monday morning, that north wind starts to move in. So temperatures here eventually go down, and you're going to see humidity go down too. I promised how much rain is coming. Here it is. This is through tonight into your Sunday, okay? 1.6 in Bangor, that means you get a thunderstorm. 0.8 in Calais, not so much. 0.3 in Greenville, not really a thunderstorm there. So tonight's rain is not going to add up to that much. It's really going to be the thunderstorm if you get an inch in about an hour or less. That really adds up. Small craft is up. Southwest wind for the Mariners there. And the forecast the next 7 days, 85 we jump to tomorrow. Inland 80, 84. Humidity drops Monday and Tuesday. Big fan of that on your days off, Alex. And then for the 4th, a few showers. Still humid, but by the time we get to the 4th, that humidity is more tolerable. I really think tomorrow is a very sneaky hot day. It starts off, you could tell there's a difference going on in the air, and then you look, you see 78, we drop Monday, 80, 77, 81, and then the 70s. So really, the way you look at it on Facebook, I got a little discussion going on about that storm threat tomorrow. If you want to chime in, if you have plans, make sure you are weather aware tomorrow. Okay, I'm not saying you don't go outside, definitely go outside. But if you're going to be at the lake, for example, make sure you have an eye on the sky. If it gets very dark, you want to get inside.
Okay, good to know.
Yes.
Thank you, Jason.